Hello, I'm Swati Shah. I'm the director of KSG Technologies Private Limited. KSG, as in the owner of brand CATC. In CATC, KSG Technologies, I'm working in KSG Technologies since last 25 years. So when I got married to Mr. Gautam, and he's an entrepreneur, and so when I got into a business family, I knew that I had to do something. I had to contribute to this business, and from there I started my journey as an entrepreneur and helping Gautam in our CATC business. So when initially I got in, I have moved in all the departments. I got to know all the departments, and I have worked in almost every department. And then I understood what exactly I liked. So I think my strong point is customer relationships. And so whenever somebody comes to me, I would like to understand what he exactly is interested in, which products, where he works, and what makes him comfortable while working. So getting feedback from the customers and then developing the products. So I recognize the void in the products which we have, and then we work on what the customer wants. So the customer is our base, I think, and we take the feedback from the customers and then we make the solutions. So this is my strong point, and I believe that while doing this will help CATC grow as well as the customers would be satisfied. So when I joined in CATC, the first thing was I was very new to the business. So getting to know the things, the plus point was I was the founder's wife. So the journey was easy that way. But yes, I had my ups and downs managing the family and then the business things, and preparing myself for this business world was a totally new thing for me. I came from a social service background, so I have worked as a social worker for a few years before I got married, and I have also been a teacher. So this was a totally different field, but maintaining the ethics of the social service world and bringing the teaching background, which was inbuilt in me. So this is how I came into business with all these things in the background. So it was not a challenge, I feel, but I feel it added to more to the ethical side of our business, and I'm very happy about it. Professional life and personal life balance can be achieved only with the help of the family, and I was very lucky that the family which I have got is a very helpful one. So they themselves wanted me to go ahead and do whatever I can, and this has been my strong strength, I would say. My family is my strength, and that they are the reason that I can go ahead and do the things whatever I want and whatever can help us in the progress of our family as well. I have been working in this industry, so I've been married for 25 years, and we always had a dream that we should have a facility in Pune which is very much like an international facility. And I'm very proud to say that I have contributed my 100% in making this facility in Pune, which is of an international level and which gives all the opportunities to all our staff members and our customers. And this, I feel, is the most happiest moment in my career. So CATC is now very much popular in India, but I feel that we have to keep working in this direction, add to customer satisfaction, and CATC should be made available throughout the country, which should be and it should be available very easily. So I think customer satisfaction and making the newest technology available in India to everyone is our goal. Yeah. So CADC has been present in the overseas market as well. We are already present in the UK, then USA, and we have been working in the Dubai as well. So yes, we already have a presence in the international market, and we definitely want to expand. And yes, we do have our plans for expansion. They are in the pipeline, and maybe after a few months or a year, we will be able to give some news. So what I have understood in these 25 years is whatever you like, you keep on doing it. And one day you'll reach somewhere where you will be happy. So keep doing the things you like and you'll succeed.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.